here is Kenyatta National Hospital, privately. The spouse, the father of the children, family, and friends to the bio. We want to tell the members of public that today, at 1:03 p.m., we have lost the bio. It is no longer a rumor, it is the truth. Betty was unwell since last week, and she was diagnosed with acute mild cancer, that is leukemia. But she was suffering from excess bleeding. The doctors tried to do their best. First, she was taken to AAR in Kemburo. She was later transferred here on Friday. The doctors have tried their best, but the will of God has prevailed. We are planning to move her body from Kenyatta National Hospital to KU referral and all the other communications and brief will come later. The life of our dear friend rest in peace and fear thee when it is thine. We loved you, but God loved you more. You have been a hero. You have inspired many. You sang to us in the 11th hour. We all slept believing that it is 11th hour that God would reinstate your health. But God has done according to his will, and we respect the will of God. Fear thee well, our dear friend, and we love you so much.
Okay, second.
Makanya also siku hapa ni haraka abeti mashabiki ake familia yake hamwe na togonya afuri ya mwana na huko mwikura mtokoria witu betu sawa oga lima nitu baile ndio kwa umuthi kulingana na mmoja awareke alkimia kuria makutengeria wiki ngima au kugeragio kila ciothe na madagĩtarĩ maheni kiruma ona ting'ano cia andũ kwĩigĩrĩra nĩ tũrĩkĩtie Elizabeth na tũkauga rĩtwa rĩa Mwathani rĩrogocwo mashabiki make mũmĩrĩru bamĩrĩ mũmĩrĩru aini mũmĩrĩru arata mũmĩrĩru tũgũkũ Kenyatta thaa ici na tũrenda tũcemanie kũrĩa KU referral kũrĩa kũiga mwĩrĩ wake mĩbango ĩngĩ o yothe nĩtũkũmũmenyithia thutha-inĩ. Nĩ moi mũrata witũ Betty ndiũkorwo ũkwende.
We start now.